Hi, my name is Keith Slider, and I hope everyone is doing great with this ongoing coronavirus, and I hope everyone makes it through it all right. Stay safe. My project is entitled the Blue Water Drilling Project, and it will be located in Haiti. Haiti is an island nation and it is located in North America. It is surrounded mostly by waters on three sides. To the north, there is the Atlantic Ocean. To the west and south is the Caribbean Sea, and to the east is the Dominican Republic. In spite of its strategic location of being located in North America, having multiple waterways, inlets, multiple ports, it is still mostly impoverished and lacks developed natural resources. Our primary focus as a part of this project will be the drinking potable water. Now, the purpose of this project is to construct and install drinking wells for the purposes of bottling it for resale, and primarily building a sustainable or a sustainability project that can be replicated in other underdeveloped areas. Our technical approach is subdivided into 5 primary tasks: locating and drilling wells, which is number 1. Number 2, drilling wells to safe alluvials or drinking water aquifers. Number 3, evacuating those wells to safe drinking water. Number 4, bottling the drinking water. And lastly, number 5, distributing the water through the supply chain. Operational task milestones that are worth highlighting in this presentation and are a prevalent part of this project include site procurement, NGO procurement, bottled water distribution, and moving water through the supply chain. Now, traditional supply chain would be more hierarchical as depicted here, and that's for an industrialized nation. However, in Haiti, since there is such poverty and very little industry, it would be more of a flat line. This slide presents the breakout percentages of bottled water traditionally. If you notice at the bottom, the 10% price is basically for the water. The remaining 90% includes all of the incidentals that are associated with bottling the water. We predict that we can get these costs down, and this will make this project work. Some of the obstacles and barriers for this project include political instability, a lack of viable partners, local permitting process, especially delays in that process, and the most important one, which I've listed last, is land will rights. The implications of this project is phenomenal. It would, of course, include improving the health of the people, reducing the infant mortality rate, and lastly, a sustainability project that is worth replicating. One important takeaway is that I originally started targeting Haiti, Brazil, Dominican Republic, and other African small nations that were underdeveloped. As I went through my project and during my research, I discovered that the smaller the project, the better the results, so that it could be replicated. I would like to give a shout out to my team members, Charles and Catherine. They were superb at being a sounding board for this project. The reason why I chose this project is the same reason I chose this profession. I want to make a difference. Steve Jobs expressed it best when he stated, I want to put a ding in the universe. Everyone, be safe, and I'll see you next time.